White. I'm the area supervisor for the Southwest area with the Office of Food and Nutrition. We are in Lansdowne High School, starting our meal process to make meals for the COVID-19 crisis. So I just want to show you what we do to get ready and how the day goes.
We are packing a breakfast for daycare.
Oh, so are we serving daycares too?
We are. There's a local daycare that had an overflux of kids from essential employees. So we are feeding them.
Awesome.
Blueberry bread, strawberry raisins.
Let me see that blueberry bread.
Blueberry bread and some strawberry raisins to start our breakfast day.
For our emergency feeding program, the breakfast group sends their package to me, and I put 2 chocolate milks in the container here, and then I pass it on for dinner and lunch. We've got a pretty smooth assembly line going, and we want to feed the kids.
I am packing up lunch and dinner.
So what are the options for lunch?
Lunch is either a yogurt, a graham cracker, and a cheese stick, or they get chicken strips and graham cracker.
Awesome. And what's for dinner?
Dinner is a Lunchable, at any time Lunchable.
I pack 2 fruits a day per bag,
And
as needed, every day.
okay, and what's fruit offerings do you have today?
I have today grapefruit, I have buddy fruit, I also have some fruit juice, and I have some fresh apples
Awesome.
on a daily basis. So I'm getting fresh fruits every day.
Over here is our veggie station, and I'm packing 2 vegetables. We have different options every day. I have some carrots that I can pack. I have a vegetable juice. I have some zucchini and squash. We even give them some ranch so they can deal with it. We have some celery sticks and tomatoes, and we get things in daily so that it's fresh and go bad. The kids can enjoy it.
What station are you in charge of?
The sandwich.
What does that mean?
We are making 13 cheese sandwiches.
Sounds good.
And ham and cheese.
And ham and cheese.
I am the bagger. I get everything together and I count everything to make sure everyone has everything they need for the day.
So how many meals do we have to get to today?
Today we're doing 1,275 meals.
That's a lot of meals.
Yes, it is. We put 3 meals in each bag, and that totals out 3,825 meals that we put in every day.
So we've calculated, because we've been doing this for a while, about how long does it take to do 100 meals?
15 minutes every 100 meals.
Good morning. Today we have Miss Debbie here at Deer Park, a little magnet school. And how do you 2 feel about working?
I like it because we're helping people, and I like to help people.
Same here. I just want to do my part to give the helping hand to those who need it. I love helping people and making sure people get exactly what they need. With a smile.